VMware Fusion versus Workstation Pro, and UTM. Which one is honestly better? VMware Fusion is a desktop virtualization software specifically designed for Mac users to run Windows, Linux, and other operation systems in virtual machines. Some key features is that it's optimized for Mac OS, allows you to run Windows 11, supports DirectX 11, it's easy to set up, and supports Mac OS virtual machines. VMware Workstation Pro is a VMware's desktop virtualization software for Windows and Linux users. It's widely used by developers, IT professionals, and testers who need to run multiple operation systems for development and testing purposes. Some key features that it supports Windows and Linux, advanced VM snapshot and cloning capabilities, and it allows bridge networking and integration with VMware and vSphere for enterprise environments. It can also run multiple virtual machines, and it has 3D graphics acceleration and advanced debugging tools. UTM is an open source virtualization software available for Mac OS and iOS. It's based on QEMU and provides an easy to use interface for running virtual machines on Apple devices. Some key features are that it runs on Mac OS and iOS, supports a wide variety of guest operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and older OSs. It can also run virtual machines. It's customizable and it's open source. So which one is honestly better? Best for professional use would be VMware Workstation Pro. For enterprise environments or professional developers and testers who need advanced features like VM snapshots, network configurations, and 3D acceleration, VMware Workstation Pro is the best choice. For Mac users, VMware Fusion is best if you're a Mac user who needs seamless virtualization of Windows or Linux. VMware Fusion is the best option with strong macOS integration and good performance. The best free option for basic use is UTM if you want a free, easy to use open source solution. For running VMs on macOS or iOS, UTM is the best choice, but it lacks the advanced features of the VMware products. Subscribe.